Look at this fine little thing just sitting out there looking as pretty as it wants to look. And then look at these dead plants, kind of like my old relationships. And then look at what we got here, our new tires. You guys have been dying for me to finally get tires, and I went with these Toyo Proxys. Probably the best tires you could get for your 20-inch wheels. Wow, look at that. We're finally gonna be able to get some grip. And we also got more goodies for the GT500 that will be installed on a later date. Look at how wide these monkeys are, but the problem is how are we gonna fit it in this little thing? So here's what I'm thinking. One tire in the trunk and another one in the passenger seat. Alrighty, let's open this thing up. Let's grab this. Oh my God, this thing is so wide. I don't think it's gonna fit. Like, there's no way it can fit the other way. Like, it's impossible. Like, actually, never say impossible. So we're done with that. Next tire has to go in here, but these seats are way too nice, so we gotta cover them up with that. And we're good. So we got the second tire in there, and we are ready to roll. And now let's hear out the TRX. Okay, let's say bye to the TRX. Honestly, who needs a girlfriend when you got car parts? You know what they say, a pull a day keeps the doctor away. And this is the last day we're gonna be spinning. And now it's time for some juice. I'm literally here every single day. I feel like I just gotta stop filming the part where I pump gas in my vlogs because it's so repetitive. And with the gas prices being so much, you know, I told you guys, I think I'm gonna go electric. Like, wow, that is a beautiful Audi, and the colors, wow. The only thing that sucks about Michigan is the car spotting here absolutely sucks. Like, you don't really see any cool stuff out here unless it's like the weekend, and then you have to go to like a specific location to maybe find something. Otherwise, just driving normally on the road, you're not gonna see shit but Ford Focuses and Jeeps. And now we got a 20-minute drive to the tire shop. Also, quick update for you guys. I've yet to hear anything back about my Hellcat. I ordered it 3.5 months ago, and 3 weeks ago they said it left the plant and it's in transit, and I'm still waiting. So as soon as I hear something, I will let you guys know. So we made it to the tire shop, and here's what I'm planning on doing. So right now we have the Michelin Pilot 4S's back here. These are 315s, and then here we have the Cup 2s, which are the 305s, but as you can see, they're all worn out. So what I'm planning on doing is taking these off and installing them here, and then taking the 325 Toyos and installing them there. But here's the problem. They're thinking that the 315s in the rear, if I transfer them to the front, they might rub, because as you can see, it's already getting really close. So we're gonna try it, but it's not guaranteed that it's gonna work. So we got the GT500 in here. We took this wheel and put it up here just to see if they'll fit with these tires. And what the guy was telling me over there is that it won't even go all the way in because it's hitting this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So these tires are way too wide for the front. So we're just gonna leave the fronts the way they are until I find new tires to replace them with. I'll probably have to order 305 Pilot Sport 4S's, same brand that I have in the rears. I'm gonna try to find those for the front, but in a 305, not in a 315, because the 315 is way too wide. So the sky's getting gloomy and it looks like it might rain. 10 minutes later, I finally took all the stickers that the tire comes with. So now let's see if I still got it. Bam, still got it. Wow. Yes, sir. Whew, look how wide they are. Wow. Super excited for this. We're finally gonna be able to get some traction. Second one going in. Let me show you guys this side. This side is all in there. Look how wide they sit. Woo. Now we torque them down. Alrighty, let's bring it out for you guys. You guys gotta see this. This thing is literally so freaking wide. It literally looks like a wide body. Like, I did not expect these tires to look these wide. You guys gotta take a look at this. Holy moly. This is insane. Look how wide they are. Like, that is insane. I did not realize they were gonna be this wide. Unfortunately, we can't go any wider on the front because we already tried the 305 is all I could fit up here, but just check this fitment out. That is f***ing insane. Wow, but now we gotta go take these out and put them into use. Now we do kind of gotta break them in, but we're just gonna go try to do a couple pulls and see if they'll work. So we're gonna try it from a 60 roll. It spun a little bit, which means we just have to break the tires in. They're literally brand new. This is literally the first quarter mile that's ever been driven on these tires. So obviously after we break them in, they're gonna work. Alrighty, we're gonna attempt another 60. On that one, it did not spin at all. Wow, that's what we needed. But traction is still on. I have yet to turn them off, but if we turn them off, then we'll have to do a little tiny burnout. But I think these tires work. We can finally race and not complain about spinning. Alrighty, let's go for the last drive in this thing. I'm just kidding, this isn't the last ride with the TRX, although I do have a very serious buyer. I'll keep you guys updated with what happens with that, but we are gonna be taking, oh, almost dropped the camera, the TRX and the GT500 to a car meet in about 3 days, so we'll probably vlog that. It'll be a good time. I haven't been to a car meet in a very long time. And look at this X4M, those wheels are beautiful. Wow. I don't know why a BMW just suits you so well, Nick. How you doing?
Good. Should I buy a bike, Ron, or what?
No, no bike for you, but that's a very nice Mustang.
Yes, sir.
Wow, what wheels are those?
Something with an H.
Something with an H. I dig them. I like the red. They're staggered. I can see they're a lot wider here. And then you have this huge carbon fiber spoiler. I don't know, there's a lot going on here, but someone will appreciate it. And there's like a bunch of splitters here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you guys think of this? And this truck definitely needs a wash before the meet. Rev it! Okay, let me do it. How do I rev? Just like this?
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds so cool.
All right, Martin, time to wash the bike.
You guys are washing a bike? Come on, wash it!
I'm gonna do it in the morning then. I'm scared of water. It can slip too.
Bro, is it waterproof?
I don't know. It's bulletproof.
Ooh. And we have my favorite person. How you doing? I'm sorry. I'm too close in your personal space.
How are you?
I missed you, bro. Ooh, they got donuts. Which one should we get? Eeny, meeny, miny, I think I'm gonna get this. Oh, no. This is stuffed with jelly. And then this one's stuffed with custard. I don't know. I gotta make up my mind. So I decided to go with the jelly. That's amazing. And this will be the color of my next car, just so you guys know. And check out this Tesla right here. Probably one of the coolest Teslas I've seen. And that's because it has a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber splitter, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber, whatever this is called, wing. I almost forgot what it's called. And then carbon fiber diffuser. Very nice, very nice. Let's take one last look at it. I would definitely drive this, and it is raining, which means we gotta go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big like, give it a big, well, not a big like, a big thumbs up. Look, I've had a long day. I'll see you guys later. I don't even have the energy to talk. Peace out and love you guys.